Hey everyone, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. It's Anne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious creamy keto yogurt using just a few ingredients. Like some of my other recipes, this keto yogurt recipe can be easily adapted to your liking. Here are the ingredients used for this recipe. Keep in mind that a couple of these ingredients are optional. If you would like a written recipe for individual servings, please check out my Food Social Creator page. The link is provided below. This recipe is based on my two original keto yogurt recipes from 2018. On the stovetop, pour the almond milk into a saucepan and sprinkle on the gelatin powder. Let sit for 5 minutes. Next, pour in the heavy whipping cream and add the powdered allulose. My personal preference is half a cup of allulose. Sprinkle in the guar gum and whisk to combine. I'm using a half teaspoon here. Xanthan gum or gum arabic can also be used. Guar gum works best and is better than xanthan gum for this recipe. Turn on the heat to medium and continue whisking until all the ingredients has dissolved and the temperature has reached 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the heat and let cool to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 112 degrees Fahrenheit. If there are any clumps, press it through a sieve by using a whisk or a spoon. When the mixture comes to temperature, add in the probiotic capsule and Greek yogurt. Whisk well to combine. Transfer the mixture to an Instant Pot through a sieve. Discard any clumps left behind. Close the Instant Pot lid and choose the yogurt function. Set it to normal for 16 to 20 hours. The longer the incubation time, the more tangy the yogurt will be. Turn off the Instant Pot and remove the lid. It will still be in liquid form once incubation time is done. Remove the inner pot and cover the pot with saran wrap. Place the pot in the refrigerator for 6 hours. After 6 hours, the yogurt will be thick and should have fully set. If you prefer thick yogurt, you can stop here and enjoy it as is. As an option, you can blend the yogurt with an immersion blender to achieve a smooth and creamy texture. Transfer the yogurt to a container or multiple jars for easier storage. If blending, refrigerate the yogurt again for a few hours in the fridge before consuming. After refrigeration, the blended yogurt will thicken up a bit. However, it will not be as thick as after incubation time. Now, let's do the spoon test. Thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe.